Hello, this is Corey Mehaffy with Growth Services Group, and I'd like to thank you for taking a few minutes to join us for this webinar regarding the GSG Market Feasibility Study for hotels. Before we begin our webinar, let me share some information with you about Growth Services Group. GSG is a national workforce intelligence research and consulting firm located in Moberly, Missouri. GSG has clients in business, industry, and government and was founded in 1994. GSG uses primary and secondary research for labor market analysis from the demand, supply, and commuting perspective, and conducts market feasibility studies for use in marketing, site evaluation, and support of community or regional planning for industrial and retail development opportunities. GSG Goals. It is widely accepted that business location and expansion decisions are often made with labor availability cost, product services demand, and other general market economic indicators being a primary consideration. A major goal for GSG is to help communities address the ongoing market and workforce needs of both existing and prospective businesses to promote investment within their region. New investment leads to creation of new jobs, increased tax base for taxing jurisdictions and municipalities, and diversification of the local economy. A market feasibility study provides an analysis of the subject area and the site to determine the overall project feasibility. GSG will provide a market feasibility study report for the subject area that is customizable to meet the needs of our clients. The market study provides a demographic and economic overview of the subject area to determine the overall feasibility of the expansion of an existing asset or a new greenfield hotel development. A written report will be provided based on research and analysis of the variables that may impact the turnaround, expansion, or new development project. Methodology. GSG will analyze market conditions, economic and demographic factors, and site conditions to determine their impact on the proposed project. GSG will utilize both primary and secondary sources to analyze the subject area's demand for additional rooms. Research will include local interviews with area representatives from a variety of public and private sector organizations. The GSG Market Feasibility Study report will address the estimated operating performance of the project and will provide recommendations as to the size and scope of the development. The report provides owners, investors, operators, and lenders with a snapshot of the overall feasibility of the project based on market conditions at the time of the survey. Customization is available to meet the needs of GSG clients. While GSG will customize the scope of the market feasibility study to reflect the individual needs of our clients, the typical market feasibility study will include the following: an area analysis, a site analysis, an economic analysis, a supply and demand analysis, financial analysis, and conclusions and recommendations. A detailed area analysis is completed and includes historical, current, and projected demographic information. This analysis provides general market information for the subject location, as well as the broader market to include the surrounding region, and includes a GIS analysis of the market area. An in-depth site analysis is also completed, which includes aerial photos of the proposed sites and a site evaluation to include the following: accessibility, availability of utilities, land cost, site prep, visibility, zoning, overall location rating, and traffic counts. An economic analysis of the subject area is also completed, which includes a census profile for the area as well as the state profile, a listing of local restaurants and dining, household income profile, retail leakage factor, retail marketplace profile, business summary, unemployment and labor force information, list of major employers, education profile, transportation and industrial infrastructure, and a list of local incentives that may be available. A comprehensive supply and demand analysis is completed to include a state travel analysis, an area travel analysis, an area history and description, information on area attractions, and local interviews. A lodging rate and supply is also included with items like ADR, number of rooms in proximity to the subject site, and others. Area market and hotel trend analysis includes uniform methodologies through the use of a nationally recognized industry database to include ADR, occupancy rates, supply, and demand, and an area local competitors analysis as well. Based on the analysis, conclusions are drawn and recommendations are shared, including recommendations for the overall feasibility of the project, site recommendations, property recommendations, size, including number of rooms, amenities, recommended rate, brand affiliation, and suggested classification, for example, economy or mid-range. Detailed financial projections are completed to include capital expenses for initial land acquisition and project development, prep, fees, construction, etc. A detailed 1-year operating projections by month, a detailed 5-year operating projections by year, a detailed 5-year break-even analysis, and cash on cash. If you're interested in learning more about this product or other GSG products and services, please contact us via our information below, our website, our phone, or email. And please follow us on our social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and please encourage others to do so as well. Thank you for your time and your interest in GSG Market Feasibility Studies for hotels. For more detailed information and to view a copy of the actual report, please sign up today for a free live demo. Thank you for your time.